Ago I bought a Dewalt FlexVolt 9-amp battery. I went to Dewalt.com and I just told them the receipt number and all that, and they said I should have another one in 4 weeks. So hopefully this is it. We'll see what this is. This package showed up in a week, so I was like, well, that's cool, even though I was expecting 4 weeks. The customer service was smooth, helpful, no complications or problems. All right, let's see what's in the box. See if it is. Oh yeah, nice. Rock and roll. When I emailed Dewalt.com and I was also on the phone with them, I asked if they want the current battery for a core for proof, and they said no. Pretty pleased now, so I am pretty happy with the warranty of Dewalt that they offer. Okay, I got a package. Push this button here and this slides off. So now I'm going to put in a charger. I only have a 20-volt charger. I don't have the big charger for this. It'll be a little while. See if it charges up and works. Got 1 bar in there, so stay tuned. We'll see. The charger I have is this little bit faster one. This DCB115. The output, if you look here, it's 4 amps. This goes to my weed eater. But for my 1/2-inch impact, it does lug nuts, wheels, and all that. Came with this DCB112 charger. That is a 2.0 amps output. So it charges slower, of course. So I'm going to go with the 4 amp output to charge this faster, because I'll need it. Let's see if it charges. Yep. Looks like it's charging, so in a little bit we'll find out if it's completely charged and see if it works. Dewalt comes with a 1-year replacement battery warranty, 3-year extended warranty if you want. Light indicators. Alright. Let's take this off. This adapter on, this battery on. As for me, I don't buy extended warranty. I just stick to the warranty that comes with it. Take that off. See how much To conclude this, I went to Home Depot and they said I had to go to Dewalt online and discuss this with them. Stores are good, but they don't honor the warranty a lot. But it's the first time I had to turn in Dewalt battery for warranty reasons. I just thought I'd share this with you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, please, and see you in the next one. Later.